Welcome back, everybody, to the Deep Dive. Today, we are diving into ClickRank. Have you heard of it?
Yes, it's an SEO automation tool. It's supposed to make optimizing your website super easy.
We have articles, reviews, even got a hold of the head of product. Good chat with them later.
Sounds good.
Before we get too far into the weeds here, let's frame this up, Everyone wants their websites to rank higher,
Of course.
get more traffic,
Oh,
more
okay.
customers. That's the goal, right?
Absolutely.
ClickRank says they can help you do that. AI-powered optimization. They even say no-code integration.
That's a big one. A lot of people get tripped up by the code.
So does it live up to the hype? That's why we're here.
And that's why I'm here.
I'm excited to learn more.
It's great to be here, I think. You hit the nail on the head. The goal is to make SEO accessible for everyone.
Yeah.
A lot of people think it's, I don't know, this big mysterious thing.
Right.
It doesn't have to be. And I think ClickRank is doing a good job of demystifying that process. It uses data from your website and AI to suggest actions you can take. That's really all it is.
Okay. That's a great starting point.
Yeah.
But I have to ask, how does it actually work? Does it? Like, sprinkle SEO fairy dust on my website.
I wish it were that easy.
Right.
No, not quite magic. But we do try to make it feel that simple. The first step is connecting ClickRank to your Google Search Console. That's where all the data about your website performance lives. So, how many clicks are you getting, all that stuff. And then you add a small piece of code to your website's header. Think of it as a bridge
Okay.
that lets ClickRank talk to Google Search Console. And then analyze your data.
So it's using data from Google to guide its recommendations.
Exactly.
That makes sense. But I am curious, why is connecting to Google Search Console so important? Couldn't ClickRank just analyze my website directly?
Yeah, so that's a great question. And the answer is Google Search Console provides unique insights into how Google sees your website. So it tracks things like which keywords people are using to find you, your click-through rates, any crawl errors Google encounters.
I see.
That data is pure gold for SEO.
Yes.
By tapping into it, ClickRank can tailor its suggestions to your specific performance and what Google is already seeing. It's like getting a peek behind the curtain at how Google evaluates your site.
That's fascinating. It sounds like ClickRank is really data-driven.
It is.
Which, big plus in my book. But I have to admit, still a little fuzzy on how the AI part comes in. Can you shed some light on that for me?
Absolutely. So once we have that data from Google Search Console, our AI gets to work analyzing it.
Okay.
So it looks for patterns, identifies areas for improvement, and then suggests actions you can take. Think of it like having an SEO expert, constantly crunching numbers, coming up with customized recommendations just for you.
So it's like having a personal SEO consultant,
Yeah.
but without the hefty hourly rates.
Exactly. And it's available 24/7.
That's
The AI is constantly learning and evolving, so you're always getting the latest insights and optimization strategies.
pretty impressive. Okay,
Yeah.
let's get specific. What kinds of things can this AI actually do for my website?
All right. Well, for starters, it can handle a lot of the tedious on-page SEO tasks that I think a lot of people find overwhelming,
Yeah.
Optimizing your title tags, meta descriptions, image alt text, all those things that are crucial for search engines to understand what your page is about.
Right.
ClickRank's AI can analyze your content, your target keywords, even your competitors, and then suggest the most effective wording for all those elements.
Okay, so it's taken care of. Kind of like the behind-the-scenes stuff. That can really impact your rankings.
Yeah.
What about the content itself? Does ClickRank's AI actually write content for you?
That's a good question. We don't replace the human touch when it comes to creating content. What we do is we help you make your existing content even better. Our AI analyzes your content and suggests ways to optimize it for specific keywords, improve readability, and ensure it aligns with what people are actually searching for.
Okay.
Think of it like a super-powered editor, giving you targeted advice on how to make your content shine.
That makes me feel a lot better. I was picturing those clunky keyword stuffed articles that no one wants to read.
No one wants to read those.
But it sounds like ClickRank's AI is more about enhancing existing content, not replacing human creativity.
Exactly. We believe the best content is written by humans.
Yes.
But we also know SEO can be complex.
Yes.
Our goal is to bridge that gap. You create content that's both engaging for readers and optimized for search engines.
That's a great way to put it. It sounds like ClickRank is striking a balance between, AI-powered automation and the human element. But I'm curious, how does this approach actually translate into better results for websites?
So It all comes down to visibility and relevance. When your website is well optimized, it's more likely to show up in search results for the keywords that are relevant to your business.
Right.
And when your content is engaging and informative, people are more likely to click through from those search results and spend time on your site.
So it's not just about getting to the top of the search results. It's also about making sure that the right people are finding you.
Yeah.
Having a positive experience on your website.
Absolutely. It's about attracting the right audience, keeping them engaged. And that's ultimately what drives conversions and helps your business grow.
Okay. This is all starting to come together now. ClickRank uses data from Google, AI-powered suggestions, and a focus on human-created content to help websites improve their visibility, attract the right audience. But let's be honest, not everyone is a tech whiz.
How easy is it?
For the average person to actually use ClickRank.
Yeah, so one of our core principles is making SEO accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills. So we've designed ClickRank to be incredibly user-friendly. You don't need any coding knowledge, and the interface is clean and intuitive. Plus, we offer tons of support materials like tutorials and FAQs.
So even someone who's completely new to SEO can jump in and start using ClickRank without feeling overwhelmed.
Absolutely. We've had users from all backgrounds and experience levels achieve great results with ClickRank. It's all about making the process simple, straightforward, and dare I say, even a little bit enjoyable.
I like the sound of that.
We try to make it fun.
Yeah. But before we get too carried away, let's dive a little deeper into some of the specific features that ClickRank offers. You mentioned on-page optimization and content suggestions, but I'm sure there's more to it than that. What else can ClickRank do to help my website climb the search engine ladder?
Oh, yeah, lots more. You're absolutely right. There is a lot more under the hood. One of the features I'm really excited about is our site audit tool. It's like a health check for your website. But instead of looking for physical problems, it's looking for technical SEO issues. That might be holding you back.
Yeah. Okay, I have to admit, technical SEO sounds a little intimidating. Can you break that down for me? What kinds of issues are we talking about?
Yeah, so think of things like broken links, missing title tags, slow loading times, even issues with how your website is structured.
Gotcha.
These might seem like small things, but they can have a big impact on how search engines perceive your site. And let's be honest, no one wants to spend hours digging through their website code, trying to find these issues.
Definitely not. So ClickRank's site audit tool finds these issues for me.
Yeah, that's a huge time saver.
That is huge. But what happens once the problems are identified? Do I need to be a coding expert to fix them?
That's the beauty of it. For many common issues, ClickRank can actually fix them automatically. It's like having a virtual mechanic for your website, taking care of those pesky technical problems. You don't have to.
Wow. That's taking automation to a whole new level. I can already feel my stress levels decreasing. But even with all this automation, I'm guessing there's still some situations where human intervention is needed.
You're right. While we can automate a lot of the technical fixes, there are some instances where human judgment is still required.
Okay.
For example, if you have duplicate content issues, ClickRank will flag them for you.
Okay.
But you'll need to decide which content to keep and how to consolidate it. Or if there are broken links, ClickRank can often fix them automatically. But sometimes you might need to manually update a link to a new page.
So it's a collaboration between human and machine.
Exactly.
ClickRank handles the heavy lifting, but we still need to use our brains and make strategic decisions.
That's right.
I like that. Now, speaking of data, we touched on this earlier, but I want to dig a little deeper. ClickRank is data-driven, which I know is important, but what does that actually mean for users? How does this data-driven approach make ClickRank different from other SEO tools out there?
That's a great question. A lot of, traditional SEO tools rely on general algorithms or industry benchmarks. They might tell you that your title tag should be a certain length or that you need a specific number of backlinks. But those recommendations aren't always tailored to your website or your specific goals.
It's like getting generic advice instead of personalized recommendations. From a doctor who knows your medical history, one size doesn't fit all.
Exactly. What sets ClickRank apart is its deep integration with Google Search Console. By pulling real data from your website, ClickRank can provide hyper-personalized suggestions based on what's actually working for you. It's not just guessing or relying on outdated information. It's using real-world insights to guide its optimization strategies.
So it's like having a custom-tailored SEO plan based on my website's unique performance and goals.
Excellent.
That's pretty powerful. But I'm also thinking about the future. You know, SEO is constantly evolving. How does ClickRank stay ahead of the curve?
That's one of the things that makes our work so exciting. Our team is constantly monitoring changes in the SEO landscape, researching new algorithms, and refining our AI models. We're committed to making sure that ClickRank is always at the forefront of SEO innovation.
So it's not a static tool. It's constantly evolving and adapting.
It has to be.
That's reassuring to know, especially with how quickly things change in the digital world. Now, I'm also curious about the impact of ClickRank on the SEO industry as a whole. Some people might argue that tools like this are putting SEO professionals out of business. What are your thoughts on that?
I see it as the opposite, actually. I think tools like ClickRank are empowering SEO professionals to do even better work.
Okay.
So instead of spending hours on tedious manual tasks, they can focus on the strategic side of SEO, like content strategy, link building, understanding the nuances of search engine algorithms.
So it's not about replacing human expertise. It's about augmenting it.
Exactly.
Freeing up SEO professionals to do what they do best, think creatively and strategically.
Precisely. I think the future of SEO lies in a collaboration between human intelligence and AI-powered tools. It's about harnessing the power of technology to make the SEO process more efficient, effective, and ultimately
more impactful. That's a great perspective. It's not about man versus machine. It's about man with machine, working together to achieve online success. But let's face it, when it comes to choosing SEO tools, price is always a major consideration. How does ClickRank stack up in terms of affordability?
That's the question on everyone's mind, right?
Yeah.
We've worked hard to make ClickRank affordable. For businesses of all sizes, we offer 3 main pricing tiers: solo, business, and agency.
Okay, so there's an option for everyone, from solopreneurs to large agencies.
Exactly.
Tell me more about these plans. What's included in each one?
Yeah, so the solo plan is perfect for someone just starting out or managing a single website.
Okay,
Get access to all the core features we've been discussing: one-click optimization, content suggestions, site audit, performance tracking, the whole shebang.
Wait, you get all that for the solo plan?
Yeah.
That's amazing. But how much are we talking about here? What's the damage for someone who wants to try out ClickRank?
The solo plan is just $38 per month.
Wow. $38 a month for all those features. That's incredibly affordable. And what are the limitations? I'm guessing there's some caps on website usage and page crawls.
Yeah, of course. There are some differences between the tiers. With the solo plan, you can connect one website, crawl up to 2,000 pages, and have unlimited optimizations.
Okay.
That's more than enough for most individual website owners and small businesses.
So you're not limited in terms of how much you can optimize your site.
Yep.
That's great. What about the business plan? Who is that geared towards, and what does it offer?
So the business plan is designed for, well, businesses. It's a great option for those with multiple websites or larger teams.
Okay.
You can connect up to 3 websites, have 3 team members collaborating, and increase the page crawl limit to 10,000. This one comes in at $79 per month.
So still very reasonable for what you're getting. More websites, more users, more pages. This is like a natural progression for growing businesses.
Yeah.
And then there's the agency plan. I'm guessing this is for the SEO powerhouses.
That's right. The agency plan is built for SEO agencies or businesses managing a portfolio of client websites. It covers up to 10 websites, allows for 10 team members, and has a crawl limit of 30,000 pages. This top-tier plan is $199 per month.
Okay, so no matter your size or needs, ClickRank has a plan that fits. But what if someone is hesitant to commit? You know, they're hearing all these amazing things, but still want to kind of dip their toes in the water before diving in head first.
We completely understand. That's why we offer a 7-day free trial.
Oh, nice.
You can test drive all the features, connect your website, run audits, and see the magic firsthand. And if for any reason you're not convinced, we have a money-back guarantee.
That's impressive. You're really putting your money where your mouth is, so to speak. It sounds like you're confident that once people try ClickRank, they'll be hooked.
Yeah. We really believe in the power of our platform to transform how people approach SEO. We're not just building a tool, we're building a community of empowered website owners and digital marketers.
And that brings us to the end of our deep dive into ClickRank. We covered a lot of ground, from the technical details to the user experience and pricing. But as we wrap up, I want to emphasize one key takeaway. ClickRank is a powerful tool, but it's only as effective as the person using it.
100%.
You need to understand your audience, create valuable content, and make informed decisions based on the insights ClickRank provides.
That's right.
It's a partnership between human intelligence and AI, working together to achieve online success. And on that note, we'll leave you with a final thought to ponder. How do you envision AI shaping the future of SEO? What new possibilities and challenges do you foresee? Thanks for joining us on the Deep Dive. Until next time, happy optimizing.